so wrapped up. And I realized that even though I was working for myself, where I was working, I had given so much of myself that I had lost myself. And I was burnt out. I'll be honest with you. I was really burnt out because I had lost myself. And I had given myself to people, to teaching, to choreography, to dance, that I had lost me. I was like, well, who am I really? And a great